we doing, guys? It is Larry here for Leoy Systems. Just wanted to talk about one thing, something that's been bothering me a little lately after working with some clients and whatnot. I've been in the fitness business for 28 years, served in every possible position you could think of, from maintenance to management, director of training and education, and the gamut. I've done it all. Been a personal trainer, fitness manager, general manager. Again, pretty much done it all. One thing I have noticed in all my years of doing it is how difficult it is to get gym owners to partner with complimentary services, especially ones that are free, where you just work with another business, co-market or advertise or whatever, but you guys do it together and it's usually free. If you work it correctly, it's free. But then that same gym owner will drop hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on Facebook or Google ads and get minimal new members because they're competing with 10, 15, 30 other fitness businesses doing the exact same thing. It's interesting to see that because it just really goes to show that most gym owners or health and fitness owners, personal training studios, whatever you call it, doesn't matter. Most of them really don't know who their actual customer is or who their target audience is. And that's a problem. If you're not sending out the right message to the right people, you're going to have 100 people join in January and 99 of them are going to leave in February because all they looked at was a dollar sign. They didn't look at the value of your business. On top of that, if you don't build a community, you're going to get lost. No one's going to trust you because why should I believe you that you could help me get my goals when another studio down the block works with a hair salon and everybody talks about you inside the hair salon, or vice versa, or any combination thereof. That is what I'm talking about. So it's just amazing on how they don't really want to work with free things. But anyway, that's my rant for today. You guys have yourself a good day.